guess that's just gonna have to be right there. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So let me close this up, that way you can get less road noise. Just running around doing some errands around town, getting ready right before work, since my work is gonna start picking up a lot more, and you know, just trying to get all that extra overtime and shit. So but answering a couple of the questions you guys have been asking me, and I just wanted to get it off, that way you guys understand what's gonna happen, what could happen, and what are the choices. Start off, what's next for the SI? Am I gonna keep it? Am I planning on doing anything bigger and better? What is up? So as of right now, I don't have a reason to get rid of it. It does everything I need and more. It is only 2 doors, so that was one thing that I'm not gonna say I regret getting, but it is a little inconvenient when it's like, oh, you guys, mom, can you drive? Or babe, see if your sister wants to drive, or Hector, do you want to drive? Since they have 4 doors. But with me, even when I had 4 doors in my other cars, I never really liked having a fully loaded car. Like, I always hate having 5 people in my car. But I'm getting off topic right now. The next thing to do with this car is a clutch kit and a big turbo, and then just like call it right there. Flex fuel is in the works. It is a possibility for me to get it. That way I could run some E30 or some blend or something. But I don't want to do that until I have the money backed up, just in case something happens with the car. Because I know the head studs don't like E85 as much as other cars. So eventually something wrong would happen, and if that just magically pops up, don't really want that to go. And look, I know there's going to be people out there that's saying, look, I've been doing E85 for so long and blah blah blah, just drive it careful. Yeah, I know, just peace of mind, you know, like, can't really afford not to have a car considering I drive so far from work. I'm also trying to baby the clutch until the 11th generation SI/Type R. They haven't revealed anything for it yet. There has been renderings of the Honda Civic RS in Thailand. So I'm gonna be honest, it doesn't look that bad, but my mind was already like set on center exhausts. Now I'm seeing it on the side again. I'm gonna have to like restructure my whole mind so that I can see what's up with that. It doesn't look bad. I think the spoiler could be a little bit smaller or lowered, but it doesn't look bad at all. I mean, people are gonna hate it, people are gonna love it. It's never gonna be a win-win situation. It's always gonna be a hate it or love it, especially with the new generations of any car coming out. But I don't want to make a move like that until I am for sure certain that it's gonna be worth it. Because like I said, if I'm gonna pursue this a little bit more and a little bit more, I guess you can say efficiently with this whole YouTube thing, I gotta make business decisions. And I say it like this because at the end of the day, this is my business. I do get paid for this, guys. Not a lot, but I do get paid. And I'm gonna be honest with you, the channel pays for the car. What the hell? Hello?
Hey, Johnny.
What's up?
Hey,
even when I'm not working, they call me for work, dude. So give me a sec. I'm gonna walk into the bank real quick and I'll be right back. Dude, this exhaust just pops way too much and I love it. Just talk to Full Race, see if I can get a coupon or something, man. Since you guys are always asking what exhaust you get. Full Race, big dog. Pretty cool, man. Like, I'm glad you guys like the features. Like, I'm glad you guys like the videos I've been putting out. All those car reviews and features I've been doing lately have been getting good success. And just in general. So the next thing is, am I ever going to get back into an 8th gen or possibly even a 9th gen SI, since that is one car I haven't owned yet? Yeah, maybe. If I end up keeping this car, I'm gonna look inside and out and everywhere I can to look for an FA5. I really want to get back into the 8th gen for different reasons, you know, like I want to fully build it. I feel like, oh, look at the Frenchie. I feel like if I get back into an 8th gen, I would definitely be able to build it, I guess you can say, the right way, considering I already have the experience behind it and I would know what to get and how to do it and in what order. But as you guys see all the prices on Facebook and on the marketplace and just in general of the used cars, right now is not the right time. hopefully after the wedding next year, like, because my wedding's in January 7th, hopefully by next year we're chilling. We can go ahead and just start throw like 5-6 stacks on one and just be like, yo, this is gonna be the new project. Spend a little bit more, get a 9th gen and get a different. Bruh, it just turned green. You guys are so impatient. God. And people are telling me, oh, why don't you try a WRX, or why don't you try a rear-wheel drive car, like as a project car? Because the ones that I like are not in that price range. Rear-wheel drive, guys, 8.6 or an S2K. Those are really the only 2 cars I would get that are rear-wheel drive. If I'm gonna do that, I'd rather experience the FA5 the way I was never able to do it, because, dude, back then, the reason why I never boosted the car, even though I had the car for about 4 or 5 years, because I was so bad with money. Now, I'm financially in a better spot. I was so bad with money. I was making payments on it still, and once I paid it off, I chilled for about a year, and then I was like, all right, cool, I want to get something newer, and I did this, and now I'm making more than before. So, and I'm not trying to gloat with you guys, I'm just being real. So that's a possibility right there. An FA5 would be great, but I would really look into a Mugen before an FA5, just a regular FA5. If not, then an FA5 will do. And why a Mugen? Because you don't have to do anything to it exterior wise. I feel like if I was meant to get rid of it in the future, the value is going to stay high because it's a Mugen. Mugens are a lot more expensive than the regular ones, considering there's only been 1,000 made. So that's an idea right there. A lot of people were asking, hey, are you gonna throw your bachelor party and blah blah blah? Yeah, I'm actually gonna go to Vegas. I'm gonna go with the boys. We're gonna go to Speed Vegas. I'm gonna attempt to drive some supercars over there, enjoy my bachelor party. We're actually gonna go on Black Friday, so we're gonna hang out over there. We're gonna go karting, we're gonna go clubbing, go to buffets, everything. Experience Vegas the way I wanted to experience it. Now that I actually have the funds and all that. So I'm gonna be going with like 7 other dudes, and we're gonna be having fun right there. One of my subscribers that I talked to, but I'm not really, like, I know this guy, but I don't know him personally, was like, yo, you should set up a PayPal account, or a Venmo account, so that I can buy you a drink that day. It's like, maybe, I don't know, I might do it just for my girl, so, and the women and the bridesmaids. So if you guys are gonna want to buy them a drink or two, I'll let you know how to handle that. You guys remember Gotham the Bug? Anyways, where I was getting at is, I look at the videos, I know what videos you guys like, I know what videos get the views, I'm not dumb. Just that right now, as we get closer to the wedding day, as we get closer to my girl going to doctor's appointments, on my days off, that's what I focus more on. So just giving you guys a heads up, the next couple months, if the videos are lacking just a little bit, you know why. Because on my days off, I'm looking at flower arrangements, I'm looking at linens, I'm doing a tasting, I'm actually doing my engagement pictures next Thursday. So, and this guy's gonna be included. So it's part of growing up. So I gotta choose the responsibilities that I have, that I chose, and then once that's going, we're good to go. So we'll be able to enjoy and get back to regular content. I'm trying to get back into doing 2 videos a week again, but that's probably going to be the case after the wedding. So I hope you guys understand with that. And again, I do have people that have been DMing me, hey, let's do this, let's link up. I'm more than willing to do it, but because of my job, worst case scenario, I'm only available on Mondays, and every now and then on a Saturday night or a Sunday. Because when I met Casper, the one with the FK7, I just happened to be off that day, and I didn't text them till like Friday, where I was like, hey, I'm free Sunday, do you want to link up? So that's just how my work is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just a quick update on everything that's going on. Answered a few of the questions that you guys have been asking. I hope that answered it right there for you. But don't think that I'm just gonna get rid of the car like right away. I'm gonna do so much research and see what would be the best for me and for the channel, and it might not even happen till after the wedding, so I might just enjoy the car for what it is as much as I can. I know you guys like the canyon runs, I know you guys like it when I do pulls, when I line up with other cars, and when I do car reviews, so the content's there. I just have to go out and do it now, and then hopefully have the same schedule as the other guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace.